Hi guys, I'm coming to you today with my Rebuild Your Stash collab hosted by LaSonia Burger, who is one of the people in the Crafty Manipulators group. This is a Facebook group where we're doing a 5-week collab where each week we're going to make one of the things on the list and then host a video showing our things. So week 1 is flowers. So I used my graphic 45 die, which is this die, and I used to do my layered flowers. And my flowers are here. I just did a variety of colors. Did these colors here. And so what we had to do, we had to make a set of 4. And so those are my sets of 4. I think they came out. I'm not good at doing tutorials of showing how to do these things, so I'm just going to show you guys what I did. I just, like I said, I used my dies and basically cut the layers, the different layers, and put them together. This is my base, and then I layered each one of my flowers. Like that. And glued it together. And it came out like this. And then with that, I just lift up each petal layer by layer to give it a little dimension. Like that. And it gives it a little dimension. And there's a few of them that I did. I think they turned out pretty good, and then I just used my glue dots. Place the glue dot, a dab of glue, and place them on the backing like that. You guys have a blessed one.